A very good morning, students. In our topic physical activity and leadership training, earlier we have discussed the definition of leadership, and qualities of a good leader. Now, what is the role of a good leader in the sports? Number one, structuring the situation. Leader must structure the situation. What are those possible things? Situations may arise with the team. Whatever doubts, wherever they are going for playing, type of grounds, what are those difficulties they may face, which are those teams they are going to face, whichever team is strong, whichever team is poor, all these plus minus things, those kind of situation they are going to face during the tournament or during the journey going back and come back. That situation should be instructed properly to the team so they should not have any doubt. Second one is controlling the group behavior. Group behavior is controlled by the team leader. He will be always in discipline and he abide by the rules and regulations set for the team, right from the getting up and warming up, practicing in the ground, all those, and communication among the teammates. That behavior is controlled, so there should not be a conflict arise among the players. Next one is speaking for the group. Leader always speak for the group, for the benefits of the group. He is always controlling the, if he is speaking in favor of one or the other player, sometimes other player may be emotionally, he may be burst that leader is not taking care for me. In that case, conflict may arise in the team. So he must understand the feeling of everyone and deal equally with all. Fourth one is planning for the group. Leader should plan for the team during the practice, even training session. What are those skills to be learned? Whichever weak performance is there in the team, that weakness should be removed. Refining the skills and preventing the injuries in the team. There should be minimum injuries so team can show their best performance in the tournament. This planning, if we start a good plan, start is good, then it is equal to half done. So this is all under the leadership. Then execution of the plan. Whatever plan you are making, training plan and all, or strategy of playing in the tournament, that plan should be executed properly. If any plan is failure, you may lose the match. So when substitution is to be done, when or what time out is to be taken, or whichever players man to man, all checking and all, it is all depend upon the leader, and what kind of diet should be given, all those care is taken by the leader. Leader as a representative. Leader is a representative of the group or team. He speaks for the whole team. Any kind of problem if team faces, he discuss the problem. Sometimes if required, he will talk about the problem of team to the higher authorities and try to solve the problem earliest possible. Leader as a controller of internal relationship. This is related with the how teammates they are having behavior with each other, what kind of relations they are having. They should not have any kind of conflict or ill feeling towards anybody. This discipline is being controlled by the leader. If any kind of ill feeling or racism or casteism feeling arises in the team, then team performance may go down. So leader has to be very careful and keenly watching what kind of they are having relations with each other, and even whoever is at fault, he should be punished. Then leader as an exemplar. Exemplar you can become, first of all you should be disciplined one, then you should have the mastery of many skills, and you must have the communication skill, you should have good person, all those qualities of a leader you must possess, then only you can be exemplar in front of all teammates. Thank you. This topic is over here. Have a healthy day.